Dulu aku selalu ke sini bawa ada satu girl. Girl tu dia seorang je. Sekarang dah ada dua dah.
Ada satu lagi.
Dekat sini. Sahur. Mari kita tengok. Okay. This is Anis. Lamb kebab. That's mine.
No.
This is mine. This is Adaniti. Ni siapa punya?
Rahman.
Rahman, ayah rasa satu Oh my god.
Ayah, can you finish the coffee?
There's no coffee. This is tea.
Can you finish the tea?
I'm enjoying my tea.
Can you finish it? More finish it.
Macam
Tak
best.
jaga.
Kenapa?
Aku teguk macam air biasa.
Astagfirullah, melecur lah tu. Minum air sejuk cepat.
Let's try this. Semua kenyang Alhamdulillah. Cik niat puasa esok. Excuse me. Anything else you want to order?